Three ex-government law officers have criticized the Attorney General for refusing to declare income received from past legal cases, the Telegraph can disclose. Lord Hermer, appointed to the government in July 2024, has not disclosed any earnings since taking office, despite having practiced as a private barrister until his appointment. While ministers are typically required to declare income received during their tenure, the Attorney General's office contends this rule does not apply to earnings predating parliamentary entry. However, three former law officers have branded this stance irregular, arguing it contradicts advice they received and deviates from normal practice, whereby earnings from prior legal work were declared even after becoming MPs. Robert Jenrick, the Shadow Justice Secretary, has urged the House of Lords Standards Commissioner to investigate potential breaches of conduct by Lord Hermer. Barristers often receive payments months or years post-completion of work. Notably, the Attorney General's past clients include Gerry Adams, former Sinn Féin leader. Sir Michael Ellis, ex-Attorney General, stated, "This appears highly irregular. Previous parliamentary barristers, including Sir Keir Starmer, made such disclosures. How is this refusal justified? It marks a departure from established norms. The public will await the Commissioner's response with interest." Sir Robert Buckland, former Solicitor General and Justice Secretary, remarked, "Upon entering Parliament, I declared earnings from pre-MP legal work. Lord Hermer should do the same. If he receives payments as a peer, the Lord's Code mandates disclosure." A third former law officer added, "His office claims pre-appointment earnings need not be declared. This contradicts my experience. I declared every subsequent payment, regardless of when the work was done. There's no justification for his omission." Mr. Jenrick argued, Conservative law officers historically declared such payments. The Attorney General's evasion of convention raises questions. What is he hiding? His sanctimonious lectures on the rule of law ring hollow when he exempts himself. Lord Hermer's office declined to confirm whether he received post-July 5th payments, asserting a robust process manages conflicts of interest. They cited Lord's guidelines, exempting registration of pre-appointment work unless involving a foreign state or ongoing client obligations. Despite the Standards Commissioner dismissing Jenrick's initial complaint, the Shadow Justice Secretary is challenging the decision. Lord Hermer faces scrutiny over past client ties, notably after the government moved to repeal laws blocking compensation for Gerry Adams's Troubles-era detention, a client he previously represented. The Attorney General has refused to clarify if he recused himself from advising on this decision, citing the Legal Advisers Confidentiality Convention. This week, Lord Hermer acknowledged recusing himself from unspecified cases, but offered no further detail, intensifying demands for transparency.